Happy Thursday, everyone. This is a video explaining the corrections for page 57, and then I'll explain how to complete 58 and 59. Remember, you're only watching this video if you've already completed page 57 and you're ready to correct. Okay, let's get what we need. Grab your activity book, open to page 57, a colored pencil of your choice, and your hands ready to give a big happy little tick. Okay, remember your first step was number 1, write the date. Check if you've done that already. It should say 18/3/2020 if you completed it on Wednesday. Letter A, write the correct labels for this picture. You should have written paddle first, then kayak, and then the last one underneath is pointing to the person, and the person is the kayaker. Tick if you've written paddle, tick if you've written kayak, and tick if you've written kayaker. If not, and you need to rubber one, just rubber them and change them. Letter B, you were circling one word that needed the letters ing added. So in the first sentence, these days, sail is a very popular sport. Sailing is incorrect because it should say these days, sailing is a very popular sport. And paddling is the oldest way of cross the river. You should circle the word cross because it should say paddling is the oldest way of crossing the river. Okay, the writing, the ing endings. You should have the letters ing on each line. The boy is rowing his boat, and your picture should be as beautiful as mine, of course. The dolphin is leaping out of the water, and a beautiful dolphin out of the water. The shark is hunting for fish, so in this picture you need a shark and a fish. And the seagull is flying over the beach. You need a bird and some sort of beach. Did you like our joke of the day? This one was because this week was St. Patrick's Day, so we did one about leprechauns. Let's see what jokes we can find today. This is how to complete activity book, page 58. Step 1 is always write your date at the top. Today is Thursday, March 19th, so you write 19 line, 3 line, 2020. Let's read what it says to do. Get writing. A full stop ends a sentence. A question mark comes at the end of a question. Remember, this is different than in Spanish. So, letter A says write the correct mark at the end of each sentence. And there's a little boy saying, is it a boat? So, is this a question? If yes, write a question mark. If it's a sentence, write a full stop. And the captain is replying to him, yes, it's a wacky invention. Is this a question or a sentence? question, write a question mark. Sentence, write a full stop. Then the boy is saying, what drives the wheels? Is this a question? If it's a question, write a question mark. If it's a sentence, write a full stop. Then the captain replies to the boy, an engine drives the wheels. If this is a question, write a question mark. If it's a sentence, write a full stop. As this is a fairly quick page to finish, we're going to go ahead and continue to the next page. So you don't have to turn it, you just look to the page on the right, which is page 59. Let's complete activity book, page 59. Now, letter B says, write some questions for a quiz about sea transport. Choose a word to start each question. And then we have our helper saying, don't forget, the question and the answer should make sense together. And the question words in the yellow box say when, what, and who. So this is the question on the left and the answer on the right. Kind of like someone says, what is your name? And the reply, the answer is, my name is Owlette. So let's start the questions. The first one has been done for you. What has 2 holes? And the answer says, a catamaran. The next one has a line. La la la, were dragon boats first made? And the answer is 2,000 years ago. So which word do we need to write there? When, what, or who? Write it now. The next one is la 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 were the first people to use sails. And the answer is the ancient Egyptians. Again, you're going to write the word when, what, or who. Go ahead and write it now. And the last one, la la la, is at the front of a dragon boat. And the answer is a carved dragon head. So again, are you going to choose when, what, or who? Write it now.
Joke of the day. A coconut on holiday. What's brown that has sunglasses and is sunny?
What is brown, hairy, and wears sunglasses?